Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, we are going to be drawing our baseline, which is like this. We are going to be using 50mm. So AB is going to be 50mm. I measure my 50mm like this. So this B, this 50mm. In an equilateral triangle, the three sides are always equal. So we are going to be picking our compass and we are going to measure 50mm. That's on our ruler. The compass is 50mm. So place it on point B. Mark our arc here and place it here also. Mark our arc. So from this point to this point, like this and like this. So make here point C. So this 50mm, this side also is 50mm, and this side also is 50mm. So that's our equilateral triangle. Thank you.